What up, family? It's your man E. Sattler on the check-in. Happy Friday to you. Markets just closed about 15 minutes ago, and once again, bloody. We're going to run through this real quick. Dow is red, down 443 points, and it is on pace for the worst month it's had since September 2022. The NASDAQ, also red and also down 443 points, its worst day since January 12th of this year. S&P, also red, down 100 points today. Worst day in over a month, and it has approached September 25 levels. So not a great day in the market. Bitcoin trading around 70K. Here's what's going on, y'all. The Dow and the NASDAQ entered market correction territory today. Yeah, and you're probably wondering, like, what's market correction? So market correction is when a stock or markets drop 10% or more from its recent highs, but less than 20%. So anything between 10 and 19%, we're in a market correction. If we go 20% or more, we're in a bear market. So that's what's going on today. S&P and NASDAQ are also on track for the worst month in a year. So again, not a very, very good day at all. Why does market corrections happen? Investors taking profits. I mean, we're probably at a point where we should take some profits. I mean, we've been up for a minute, so you gotta take some profits. I am a buy and hold type of stock investor, but again, it's good to take some profit every now and then. Economic slowdown fears are rampant. They're running high. I mean, there's no denying the reality of what the situation is with groceries and gas prices, cost of living. Those fears are real. And then geopolitical events like wars and elections. Obviously, we know what's going on overseas, and that has really been a drag on the market. Also today, there's a chance of a rate increase by the Fed that has been priced in to the market by year end. And there's also a chance that we don't get a rate cut this year. So obviously we prefer cuts instead of hikes, but it's looking more like we might get a hike as opposed to a cut for 2026. Brent crude oil is at 122 a barrel. WTI crude is at 98 per barrel. So you all know gas is continually going up. Looks like there's no hope in sight for gas prices to go down until this thing is over in Iran. And the president is back to running his mouth. He's saying he doesn't want to have a ceasefire. So it is what it is. Like I said, red all day, red bloody, nothing green in my portfolio today. So we'll see we'll see what Monday brings. Hopefully Monday will be a better day. We'll be able to make a little bit of money. We'll be able to make some of this money back that we lost this week. I mean, I knew it was going to be choppy this week, but I didn't think it was going to be this bad. So I'm always bullish on the market, but I mean, at some point you got to be realistic as well. I mean, we're not in good shape right now. So we'll see what Monday brings. Hope you all enjoy the rest of your Friday. Enjoy your weekend, your time with your friends, your families, and your loved ones. And we'll chop it up on Monday. We'll see where we're at. It's your man E. Sattler signing off.